Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to delete a video on TikTok that you posted. First, open the TikTok application on your mobile device, making sure you are logged into your account. Then, tap on your profile icon, which is clearly located in the bottom right corner of your screen. This crucial first step brings you directly to your personal video collection, where all your uploaded content resides, ready for easy management. Once on your profile, scroll through your posted videos to find the specific one you wish to remove. After identifying it, simply tap on that video to open it in full screen view. Now, look for the three dots icon, usually found on the bottom right side of the screen, representing more options for your selected content. This icon provides access to a range of actions you can perform. Tapping the three dots will bring up a menu with various options for your video. You may need to swipe left through these options until you see the delete button. This button typically appears with a trash can icon next to it, making it easy to identify among the other choices presented to you. It is usually one of the final options in the scrollable list. Once you tap delete, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. This prompt asks if you are certain you want to permanently remove the video. Carefully read this message and then confirm your decision by tapping delete again. Remember, this action cannot be undone once completed, so be absolutely sure of your choice before proceeding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.